What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we're back at one of the auctions come to sometimes. You know, they don't have them every week like the other auctions, but the auctions are opening back up slowly but surely, man. I don't know how they're gonna do this one. They say they're gonna do this one live and on a Saturday, so we'll check it out. We'll see what they got. Ooh, looks like they got a Camaro and it's a Z28. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Man, let's see what they got up here, man. Alrighty, guys, man, we inside today. So, I mean, it is cool because it is super brightening up out here. But, man, first up, guys, it looks like we have a 03 Infiniti G35 here, 204,000 miles. They want $130 for the key. So keep that into consideration. But first glance, it looks like it's definitely going to need a paint job if you're, you know, trying to get the most out of it. Paint is super faded in more spots than most. If we pop the hood, it's got the V6. No big deal. 204,000 miles. They drove the heck out this thing, but it is what it is. Outside is pretty fair. If we take a look in the inside, it does not have a radio. I really wish they would have these cars just outside. It would look better for you guys to see what's really going on, as well as me. You know, I got glasses. I can't see nothing as it is. But, I mean, for the most part, it's a pretty cool, like, what, $500–600 car. With the key, I would probably bid up only to, like, maybe $450, $500, if that. You know, I don't really pay too much for cars anyway. But, I don't know. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. How much would you bid up to? Looks like we got a 07 Prius here, 209,000 miles on the dash, $220 for the key. Body does look like it's in pretty fair shape. No big deal. We can pop the hood on this. Looks really, really clean under here. I'm pretty sure they had nothing but time and energy to get these things at least decent looking. So keep that in mind when you're bidding. It says in bat, so that might means it needs a battery. Not really sure, but if we take a look at the inside, man, this thing is freaking filthy. It's got like stains and everything all over the seat. It smells like cigarettes and everything inside the car. I don't need to open the front door for you, but you see it's got footsteps and everything. So ain't no telling what this car been through. It's got stuff hanging off the back here, no big deal. But I mean, it's a Prius. If you want it, you can have it. If you like it, I love it. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Looks like we got an 01 Chevy, like a Silverado type, 164,000 miles, $70 for the key. Now this will probably be something worth bidding on, honestly, for me at least. I do need like a pickup truck of some sort in the stable. Let's see. It's a really clean truck for its year. Really clean. This is the 5.3 motor. This is what we took out of that one truck at the junkyard and put in the Camaro that we recently got from the auction. I mean, but it does look good. 164,000 miles. Nice little Suburban here. Can't really see. I can't either. But I mean, everything is here, so I wouldn't mind bidding up to about 700 to 1,000 maybe. It is the Z71, so it might bid a little bit more. But nice 4x4 truck. No big deal. Pretty good looking. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2005 Honda Odyssey here, 215,000 miles on the dash, $130 for the key. Headlights could use some restoration. Body is in pretty good shape. It's a nice minivan. However, the mileage is pretty high. Take a look at the inside. You got the light up dash up there, which is cool. Seats look all right. Like, I think that's kind of how they hide some of the damage on these cars with this being in the garage and stuff like that. Can't really see much. You can only get a glimpse of like the damage, but it does have some rust there. Is the door open? We do got the sliding door on deck. Leather interior. Seats look super whooped. Does have a third row. Let's see. All right, it closed by itself, so that's a plus. And then you can see everything up here is just filthy. So this thing is definitely gonna need some steam cleaning before I even hop in it. But pretty decent van, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2007 Chevy 2500 series Sierra, or Silverado rather, 115,000 miles. It's only the 2-door, does not have 4 seats. But I mean, this would only be used for like a work truck. Family couldn't get in this. Pretty cool truck, man. It's not really much of nothing. It is the work edition because it does have the extended, I believe this is like a 6-foot bed, a 6-foot bed in the back. So it is the work truck, 2500 series. It does have the 6.0 underneath the hood. $130 for the key, not a big deal. 2,500. This thing should sell for anywhere between like 35 and like maybe 6 grand, maybe 62. Who knows? We'll see when it comes up for sale. But what do you guys think about the 2007 2500 series? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2009 Silverado with 195,000 miles. $170 for the key. AC does work. It does have some 24-inch rims on it. This door handle is missing right here. No big deal. It does have the bed cover on the back, which is a plus. I can dig that. It's got the chrome like around it. I definitely wouldn't want chrome. Me personally, I'm going blackout kit. But it does have the step-up ladder, which is a plus. We can take a look in the back. It does have nice leather interior in here. Hang on. Does have the leather interior. Leather's all right. Everything's in order at least. So I mean, you definitely would be able to buy this and drive it just as is. This mirror looks a little wobbly to me, but this one here has the 5.3 motor, unlike the 2500 over there, which has the 6.0. All in all, seems like a pretty fair truck though. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 06 Nissan Murano here, 174,000 miles. I guess they don't have a key fee for it, so that might be a plus. Really nice looking truck. Pretty decent on the mileage. Tires looks pretty decent. Does have slight tint on it. Nice black leather interior. Seems pretty legit. Nothing in here that stands out. Everything is pretty clean. Man, haven't been outside for a while. This sun is starting to kill me. This heat got me feeling like low-key drained. I ain't gonna even front. But it is an all-wheel drive, so you can take this thing off-roading if you will. But all in all, pretty fair looking SUV. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, this is a nice looking truck. We got a 05 Chevy 2500 Silverado, a diesel, 86,000 miles. Really good looking truck. Really good looking trucks, lifted up on some like some 18s look like, or some 20s look like. Duramax diesel. Really nice looking truck. It's locked, so we can't look in the inside, but really nice looking truck, if you will. Take a look around. Really nice big truck. I think they're gonna be overpricing this thing, but with the mileage and everything, a really nice looking truck. What's up, man? How you doing? Cool. Then we have the typical regular cars, Nissan Versa. Looks like 139,000 miles. I'm sure it's all right. A little Volkswagen, Chevy Impala, Hyundai Tiburon, and the Volkswagen Beetle. Let's check out what's outside. Y'all can just walk around with me and peep what I peep when I peep it. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? Coolin', man. Ready to get back out here. Time, right? Man, you feel me? That's funny, dog. We got a freaking motorhome here. What year is this? We got a 2000, no, this is actually a 1989 Flair motorhome. Pretty huge motorhome. It's an 89. It's an 89, but yeah, it is pretty clean. It's an 89 motorhome, dude. But this thing looks a lot newer than 89. If we just take a quick step on the inside, it does look pretty modern. I mean, you can modernize this really easily. Get these seats and everything reupholstered. Get a nice updated kitchen and everything. You can really transform this thing, make it look really nice. I don't know how well it dries, but it definitely looks good and everything. It has the screen on the door, so you can actually live in this. I mean, if push comes to shove, guys, this is what we're gonna have to end up doing, because if businesses aren't open and nobody's going to work, how is people making money? If everything's closed, how is people supposed to make money and pay their rent and pay all the other bills? I just don't get it. I mean, $1,200 and $1,700 is cool for the people who got that back, but it's just like, that's not gonna cover much of nothing. But it is what it is. I'm not, you know, I guess that's why I'm not in the government field of business. But we got a work van here, 342,000 miles. You can make this into like a detailing van, actually. That's what we can look at this for. Pretty cool van. It's got the little cage back there. Yo! Yeah, you hear an echo. It's kind of scary if you ask me, but it's all right. No big deal. No body damage or anything like that along the van. Really huge. Got a bunch of space back here. You can easily throw your whole detailing kit along with like some rails and stuff on the side. So that's a plus, man. That's a plus. I wouldn't mind grabbing this if it sold for really, really cheap, just because the mileage is like really high up there. But I mean, it's all right. Looks good. Looks like it's in good condition. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Oh man, we got a couple more whips here. Not really interested in the Lincoln. It's got a coolant whip though. Got a Corolla, little Audi A4. How many miles? 122,000 miles. What year is it? 06 Audi A4, 122,000 miles. Does have some bumper hanging up here. No big deal. This light is super faded, so you might be able to get that bumper fixed, get it put back on. Judging this thing runs good. Looks like it's missing an engine cover, and I don't know, it might have been tampered with previously. I don't know. They say it runs and drives, so the mileage is pretty low to where you can still get a decent penny off of it. If we open it up, it does have some beige leather interior, which is pretty cool. I can dig it. The interior is pretty nice. There's nothing wrong at all with the interior. It does have the sunroof, and it does have a nice color on it. No body damage, other than the front, which is pretty decent. And the front isn't even like that bad of a dent or damage. So if this thing runs, I wouldn't mind bidding on it, man. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the Ford Expedition. We definitely don't want the Taurus. We don't want another Infiniti i30. I'm actually good on that. We don't want the Mustang. Definitely not this one with the Aero kit. Not the GMC. I mean, they got a couple of cars here, but not too many that we're interested in. I've probably only seen maybe 4 or 5, and then 3 or 4 of them 5 is probably much going to be way more overpriced than what I'm willing to pay. But they do got a couple of cars here. This one has a bad transfer case on that Jeep there, so that one's going to need some work. This one has a bad motor. You got a little Benz right there. A couple cars up here, man. You got a little work truck right here. What year is this? You got a 99. No, it can't be. You got a 93 Chevy, like work truck type. So you might be able to transfer that. It's got a lift and everything. Let's see. This thing's got a whole mechanical lift and everything back here. So you can buy this truck, start your own business, start hauling dirt or some sort. Shoot, you'd be surprised how many people need dirt hauled away. But it is what it is, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, bad motor on that Saturn, bad motor on that Dodge, bad motor on that Dodge. Then you got this Tahoe over here sitting on stilts. It must have had some rims on it, because they didn't want to sell it with a bad motor and good rims. So I'm sure they took the rims off and trying to sell it separately. The key for this little scooter is 30 bucks. Wouldn't mind getting another scooter if I can get it for like 50 bucks, 100 bucks. But moving along, you guys remember we seen the Camaro earlier. This thing is freaking stripped down, believe it or not. I'm loving the pearl color white on this. But if we take a look at the inside, G, everything is totally out this thing. You're gonna need a whole new dash. I mean, everything's not out. Everything is literally in the back seat. But definitely gonna need to put it back together. You're gonna have to call Kelly Mack up and get your Camaro back running. But I'm actually cool on the Camaros right now. The F bodies at least. I want to get the new one I just got all tidied up because I ain't even put my foot in it yet. Like, I threw the 4Gs on my new one, but it was just like, I didn't really want 22s no more, so it's time to switch it up, man. But in the meantime, we're trying to make something happen. Trying to make something out of nothing with what's going on, man. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, be sure to tune in tomorrow as that video will be out first thing in the AM, man. What y'all think was the best ride up here today? What you would have bid it on, man? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.